Guys, I wanted to show you guys a shirt that I made. I actually got this fabric off of eBay. It's like I think a corn staff type of fabric that I did, and this fabric frays a lot. Kind of remind me of Christmas wrap sometime with the way it frays. But I took a hot glue gun and tried to seal it, but I thought it would be a great complement to these boots. And then all I'm going to do is get some, I don't know if I'm going to do blue jeans or whatever, but K. Michelle had on a shirt something like this, so I made it and I just wanted to share. And I thought it would go great with these boots, so wanted to share the shirt I made. This fabric was on eBay. It's called a corn staff or something like that, scratch or something. But thank you guys for watching, and it's very sparkly. I don't know where I'm going to wear this to though, but I love the bling. But I wanted to show this to you guys, so thank you guys for watching. And as always, God bless. Some new nail stuff that I want to show you guys too, but I got to clear up some space in my phone so I can show you guys how to do the poly gel nails. So that's the next thing I'll be doing for you guys. So thank you guys so much, and as always, God bless. Bye bye.